The whole universe is mental. When we are existing in the mind of the universe. This is the universe. This is the all. And the all is mental in nature. God, mental in nature. What's it dala when? When we are existing within the mind of God. And then the very same way when you exist in the mind of God, in the mental universe, was it the very same principles? You are going to create your own universe, your own world. Now you are going to create your own world. This world will exist in your mind because you are existing in the God's mind. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Uyabona ke as above so below. Yabo? Kodwa intando kalo nangu umuntu one intention. Yabo? Nansi into ene intention because this one is a macrocosmic level. Konke ke lokhu okula it's micro. Yabo? So nangu ne intention angeke iziyenze ke intention la ehlukile kunale intention yala. Okusho ukuthi you, because this is you. This is you. You created, this is your reality, ne? You are the God's reality. This is your reality, right? Angithi ngisho ngabe kuthiwa ingane yakho le. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa yini? Angithi uyazi ukuthi ingane yakho izalwa wena. Wena uzala abazali bakho, bazala wena. Wena wazala ingane yakho. Into enjalo. You are existing in the God's mind. You are the reality of the universe. You create your own reality with your own mind as well. Yabo? Lo u-exact intando yakhe kulo. Lo u-exact intando yakhe kulo. So kungenzeka kanjani ukuthi le kungabi intando yala ngoba lo wenza intando ngalo and lo uyintando ngalo. Kungenzeka kanjani? So nansi into efuneka lo mele afunde ukulalela lo. Wena ke lo. Mele afunde ukulalela lo. Alalele bani? Alalele lo. This the universal mind. Khona ezokwazi ukuthi create i-reality efunwa ilo. Ngithi yes. Kusho ukuthi lona uxhumana kanjani pho lo the mental universe nalo uxhumana through ini pineal gland. Lo mental universe was expressed kwini the seat of lo kulo ikwi pineal gland. Ngithi yes. Ikwi pineal gland. Just like nawe umuzela ingane yakho expression yakho itholakala kwini kwi DNA. There is you. There's a portion of you in your child. So lo uxhumana kanjani nalo uxhumana through the what? The pineal gland. Yabo? So kusho ukuthi by uma ngabe ukuthi ufuna ukwenza intando kalo ngoba ngeke uzokwazi ukwenza intando yakho engahambisani nentando kalo. Ngeke uzokwazi ukwenza intando yakho. So wena kumele ufunde ukulalela lo. Khona uzokwenza intando kalo. Yabo? Ngoba by the time you are trying to make your own thing your own reality, it will be nullified. It will be null and void. Yabo? Ngeke izisebenze. You are going to reality yakho la is going to be terrible. You are going to have a terrible reality because ayikho in harmony nalo universal flow. Pineal gland one wenza kanjani ke la? Meditation. khona izokwazi ukuxhumana nawe lo. Ithi yes. Uthini ezwini thine eye may be single, your body will be filled with light. Single eye. Exercise the what? The single eye. Do what? Meditation. So that you will clear what? You will clear your mind. What else to do? What else? Chakras. Balancing. Ngithi yabo? Ngoba lo uflower. Lo phela lo aka exist u aka exist engekho lo. Nalo bonke nalo aka exist engekho lo. Lo master. There is no law, there is no law, there is no law. And if this is your reality, ayikho, because uma ngabe law engekho ayikho le reality ngoba nawe awukho vele, yabo? So balance your chakras. Why you balance your chakras? Ngoba lo njobe nje uflow through kuwena as what? As lento ekuthiwa yini? I-life force noma ini uprana. Uflow kuwena through into ekuthiwa uprana in your body, uflow kanjalo through in your body. But the seats mase ngibuza ukuthi wena ukuphi wena ula wena kwi-pineal gland yakho as a consciousness, that is the seat. But the life force is flowing all the way down. Ngeke ungitshela ukuthi awuzizwa inyawo zakho, ngeke ungitshela ukuthi awuzizwa sensation. That sensation is the flowing of prana, the life force. Lo othi mawuthi ushikisha izandla kanjani ngithi uyaziyashisa moyishikisha yini ke lenza kushisa is that life force I'm talking about. So through the chakra balancing, we are opening your nadis, and also what? And also the pranayama, pranayama. In fact, the pranayama yone vulama nadis for the prana to flow, and then the chakras are doing what? The chakras, because the chakras are at the center, in the sushumna. So avula the central channel to balancing the chakras, because the word chakras mean the energy wheels, these wheels that are there at the center. So yabo, that's strange. It can get you started ukuthi ukwazi ukuzwa lo, yabo? Khona mawuzwa lo uzokwenza intando yakho, because mawungayenza intando kalo you are going to have what? A terrible reality. Ufuna ukwenza intando kabani wena? Ufuna ukwenza intando yakho awuwedwa, kodwa it just happened ukuthi uzibone esengazi ukuthi unjani, sengathi uwedwa. Ubona sengathi ukuthi unjani uwedwa, sengathi wena nale reality yakho oshukashukana nayo, yabo? Ubona kanjalo, kanti awuwedwa. There is something that you need to connect to. I-area yakho ayidonsi, i-area yakho ayidonsi kwazi ukulalela lokho okunye futhi, yabo? Don't take things for granted. Awuwedwa. Yini ke umqondo wenu ubhizi uyacabanga, uyathatha, uyabeka, activate i-default mode network ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngithi yabo, default mode network, because you think you are alone. Take no thought. Take no thought. Kusho lokho, stop worrying, be in the present moment. Nini nikhathele nani nisindayo, zani kimi ngizonikhulula. Be still. Kusho lokho, akusho ukuthi lokho go to the church. Makuthiwa uzani nini nisindwane nenikhatheleyo uzani kimi, ikuphi kimi? In the present moment, at the center, because your mind, what the mind does is thinking, is ruminating about the past and worrying about the future. The mind cannot think something that is happening right now. You cannot think that. You cannot think of me talking because I'm currently talking. You can only think of me talking if I'm done talking, yabo, if I'm no longer talking. So for now, be still, be present. The only way to kill your mind movements, your mind's movement, past and future, is to be in the present moment. Be what you are doing currently, right now. Be still.